video, I'll show you how to use the new feature named as Smart Paste. Now, what does that feature does is like it will allow you to paste the content from an external site or any other content source, copy that entire paragraph and paste it in your form, and the control will automatically pick up the right field to fill in the content. So just to give you an example, so I'm in one of my environment and I have an application called as Fruit app. It's a model driven app. Basically, it lists down all the fruits which are available for a specific organization or for a market. Now these are the list of fruits which I have created. Now if I go into one of the fruit, I can see the information like fruit name, fruit description, fruit image, scientific name, Wikipedia link, and so on and so forth. Now, what if I want to fill in the information but not typing all this information manually? So, if I just click on new, and if I want to write something about, say, strawberry, okay, and I want to fill in those information like the full name, fruit description, uh, scientific name, Wikipedia link, and those kind of things, then how do I go about doing that? Now, this is a very simple example because there are three or four fields. But then, what if a form is like a user profile information, which has maybe 100 fields of a user? And if you get some content about the that user, then how do we go about and fill those information? So in order to do that, what settings you need to do is like navigate to the Power Platform Admin Center, navigate to the environment. Now this is the environment Girish Preview US. If you go into the settings, product, features. Now here you need to start searching for Smart Paste. So if I just scroll over here, so you can see something called as a Enable Smart Paste Preview. Now what this feature does is it will enable or disable the Smart Paste capability of AI Form Fill Assistance. It requires AI form fill assistance to be enabled to take effect. So that means if this feature is turned off, you will not be able to utilize this feature set. So in order to do that, let's first enable AI form fill assistance. Now it says all users immediately, users as the feature becomes available, and no one. So in my case, I need to set all users immediately. So I want all users to use the AI form fill assistance feature. In turn, they will be able to utilize the smart paste functionality as well. So I need to set this to all users immediately and enable the smart paste. I'll go ahead and click on save. And once you make that change, navigate to your model driven app. And say, take for example, if I want to write something about strawberry or add a record on strawberry. So what I'll do is like I'll go to Wikipedia and just search for Wikipedia page on strawberry. Now, this is the Wikipedia page on strawberry. What I'll do is like I have no time to read the content of strawberry. So I will just copy this entire thing. I'll just copy this. So let's assume I'll just copy this particular content. And what I'll do in this model driven app, so first we need to refresh, okay, because we have made that change. So I'm just doing a hard refresh. I have copied the content. I'll click on new. The moment you click on new, you will see a an icon being displayed over here. This is called as a smart paste icon. So what it will do, instead of you typing the record, you first copy the content, which we have already done. And if I show you the clipboard, so this is the content of the clipboard, strawberry. Okay, so I have previously copied banana as well, details. So this is how you see the clipboard, and we know this content is there in the clipboard. Navigate to the model driven app and just hover mouse over here. It says smart paste control V, analyze clipboard or form suggestions. So if I just click over here, click this button, the smart paste will analyze the clipboard and start content copying process. Now as you see over here, it has got the scientific name, it has got the fruit name, it has got the fruit description. And now as a user, what you need to do is like, as you see over here, this is in bit gray text, right? So if you want to accept the suggestions, it will show you from where it is coming. It is the suggestion is coming from a clipboard, and there is a tick icon over here. So I have an option to accept this change. And once I accept this change is like now in a proper display, right? It is not grayed out. Now fruit description, yes, I'm okay with it. Or I have an option to accept all suggestions from here, so I'll just click on accept all suggestion, and it has automatically pasted the content. It has analyzed the content as well, so that's the beauty of it, that it has analyzed the content. Now this is a very simple form. I have another application related to planet. So if I want to write something about the planet, then again same thing. What I need to do is like I need to go into the environment of a specific tenant, enable the AI form fill assistance, enable the AI smart paste, and I'll click on save. So this is a different application. So this application is named as planets. So as you see over here, it has a list of planets within our solar system. If I click on new, and if I want to write something about Mars, so I'll just say Mars Wikipedia, and I'll copy the content of Mars. So I'll just copy the content over here. So it can be any length. So I just copied it, and just to show you what is there in my clipboard, yes, I have this Mars content. And what I'm gonna do first is I will just refresh the page because I want that smart paste icon to be displayed. Now make sure that once you make those changes, so I'm in say Girish dev environment. So let me again go back to my environment, Girish dev, navigate to the settings, go to features, and verify whether the smart paste is turned on or not. So as you see over here, AI form fill assistance is users as the feature become available. I'll just say all users immediately enable smart paste, and I'll click on save. Then coming back to your model driven app, refresh it, and once you refresh it, you should be able to see the smart paste icon. Now as you see over here, I can see the smart paste icon. I'll just click on that button. It will ask you to allow the permission for text and images copied to the clipboard, and once you're done, it will start analyzing, and then slowly it will start populating all this information. Now as you see over here, planet name is copied, diameter, atmosphere condition, exploration status, all these fields have been copied, but it hasn't found the mass because we might have not copied the mass of that particular planet. And it has also automatically selected the drop down value as well. So as you see over here, it is not only about text or numeric value, but then it has picked up the drop down value. So as you see over here, we have this planet type of terrestrial, exploration state is not explored. So it picks up a whole bunch of things from the system. Now this is a suggested entry. We have an option to either clear all suggestions, or we just accept all the suggestions. If I accept all the suggestions, then this is the mandatory field, so I'll just put some value over here, and then I'll go ahead and save it. So the whole goal of this particular video was to show you how to use the smart paste feature. Now this is in preview. This allows you to copy the content from a content source and then paste it, so that the manual work of data entry is reduced. So how it will help, it will help in say example recruitment industry. So if you have a candidate who has provided you the resume, so instead of you going ahead and typing all this information, it will automatically pick the value and then add those record into your dataverse table. And there are multiple use cases in terms of adding invoices, adding sales orders, adding various content sources related to bills, and there are other things as well. So that's it folks, this is all about smart page feature within Power Apps. Thanks for watching.